Jai Srimannarayana. 26th Sloka from 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sadbhave Sadhubhave cha Sat iti etat prayujyate prasaste karmani tadha sat sabdaha pardha yujyate. Om. Before you start performing any activity, make sure you are checking with Sri Krishna Paramatma. If Sri Krishna Paramatma is happy with that, that is how you can make entire of your life auspicious. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, before I perform any activity, I shall definitely check with you if you are happy with that. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall make sure my life is happy with you. Is everything that I am doing is bringing happiness to you? Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sayyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Mahalakshmi Devi came out of that milky ocean and Abhishekam is done. Then every Devata started offering one of the divine thing to Mahalakshmi Devi. In that process, Saraswati Devi offered beautiful garland. Chaturmukha Brahma offered beautiful flower. Nagascha Kundale, all the Nagas, they offered ornaments, kundalas. Then Mahalakshmi Devi, who is an embodiment of all auspiciousness, got out of that Simhasanam while holding one beautiful garland in her hands. Chachala Vaktram Sukhapola Kundalam Savredahasam Dadhati Susobhanam. She is now walking towards all those people who were there while searching for the best one. Now she wanted to offer that garland to the one who is the best. And while searching for that person, she is walking beautifully. While she is walking, all her ornaments making wonderful sounds. And while she is giving a smile, when she is walking, she is looking more and more beautiful. Vilokayanti niravadyamatmanaha padam dhruvancha avyabhichari sadgunam gandharva siddha asura yakshacharanaha కొన్ని చోట్ల కామగుణగరిష్టంబులు క్రోధ సంయుతములు కొన్ని మోహలోభ కుంఠితంబులు. Mahalakshmi Devi is now looking at every category of people, Gandharvas, Yakshas, Asuras, Siddhas, Charanas, and all those people who came from heaven. She is evaluating everyone, but she was not able to find anyone who has so many divine attributes. She was not able to find anyone who has great qualities. She is unable to find anyone who does not have any contamination, any bad qualities. She is still searching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 26th sloka. Sadbhave sadhubhave cha sadityetat prayujyate prasaste karmani tadha satchabdaha pardhayujyate. Sadbhave sadhubhave cha sadityetat prayujyate prasaste karmani tadha satchabdaha pardhayujyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.